Labubu. Alrighty, today we are going to Emsphere. They also have an IKEA in here, so we're also gonna go quickly explore that and see what kind of foods they got in here that's different from anywhere else. Yesterday, I'm gonna show this on my TikTok and Instagram, but somebody ordered this and it looked delicious. But Bray and I can't finish it on the two, with just the two of us. So maybe one day, manifesting, we'll go back with friends and we're gonna eat this. If I had the opportunity to try everything in here, I would. But you guys don't understand the amount of options in here. And everything is just so freaking cute and so clean and aesthetically pleasing. Butter Bear is it's hyped up here. It's a vibe. We haven't tried their cookies yet, but apparently it's gone viral and people are really into it. So I am wondering if I should try a cookie here or not. Brian wants a Mont Blanc. I think we should, because we were looking for this in Japan, but we did not have the opportunity to try it. I don't even know if we found it or not, and we were too full or something, right?
Or maybe we just didn't fall onto our radar then.
Yeah, so now we gotta try it. Ooh. I think we should get a cone with... What topping would you like?
So many.
I know. Craft ice cream. Ooh. Maybe organic milk. And then, do you want the Thai tea one? Yeah, let's do Thai tea. Love you so much. Wow. It looks so good. Thank you. Let's eat it. That was so fun. I didn't expect for them to be able to let us do that by ourselves. This is a great way to start the day. It tastes kind of like red bean up here, and then the ice cream at the bottom is Thai iced tea. We got one of their specials, so each layer is slightly different. It's so good though. I'm glad we're eating this here. We got the Thai special, the Thai ice cream. I rate this maybe 8.5 out of 10. I forgot to press record earlier, so unfortunately Instagram and TikTok sees it first. I'm so sorry. Or the shorts. Look at me. Look for me at the YouTube shorts. I always post those ones earlier, so find me. Oh no. Okay, I don't want any more. Oh shit, I didn't record this whole time. Where you want to go now? We're eating some Singaporean chicken rice. Fat chicken rice. This is a great way to prep us for actual Singapore. Literal meat slicing is an art. Is this creepy or not? Oh, I'm being too shaky. This is the meal. The 3 sauces. Rice. A little bit of soup. And chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Okie dokes. Wanna do a little bit of rice? Well, let's try the soup first. There's a little piece of an egg omelet. Soup is nice. Let's try chicken. That was chicken skin. Let's dip it into this yellow sauce. Ginger. It's so fragrant. I think it's sesame oil that they use. Now someone's gonna slurp. He's just coughing. I think Brendan has a little bit of a rice stuck in his throat. Went down the wrong pipe. It's just so good, he had to inhale it through both holes. Yummy, right?
That wasn't even a cough at the time. My goodness, pardon me. Back to her.
Okay, let's try the different sauces actually. What's this red sauce? Oh, this is the brown sauce first.
Let's look down here.
Oh, there's a kick. Oh, it's too much of a kick. Oh God, I'm gonna start coughing too. I like the yellow sauce the best. The chicken is so tender and so soft, just the way I like it. Not dry, not even close to being dry. Heavy, heavy, heavy on the ginger sesame oil. A little bit of rice, and then a little bit of the chicken on top. But I can't do that right now. Look how beautifully it's cut. Refreshing. These look like really big boba balls. I think this is their Thai dessert. It's kind of like our Vietnamese jam, right? More or less. I'm like, Krispy Kreme, Brandon's like, any merch? I'm like, no, we don't need any merch. They got merch. Their merch is actually so cute. Brandon is not listening. But thank you guys for listening to me. This is so cute. We love a good tote bag. Oh my God, it's a blanket. That's so cutie. Do I need a tote bag? I mean, yes and no. You can never have too many. This is where we are. See you at the 3rd floor. I see myself in this type of bedroom. I like it. If I had a way nicer kitchen or a larger kitchen, I would definitely cook so much more. Look at this. Look at how nice this gray is and the marble countertops or fake marble or whatever it is. I would totally chef it up in here. Psst, 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 psst. Oh, Brandon's looking for me. Yes, I will meet you at the food court then. Okay, bye. Today at IKEA, we got the nacho cheese hot dog. Dun, dun, dun. Face out of frame, look at it, appreciate it. Smells like crispy onion on it. So it's just nacho cheese, or just cheese. It's like a queso cheese with some fried onions on it. I don't know. I don't know. It's not bad. The queso cheese is really good. It's not bad, but I don't think I would eat it again.
It's like cheese whiz.
Brennan says he thinks it's just cheese whiz. It's something different, so that's fun. The bun is really nice and soft, so I like that. Okay, I think I'm done with it. Hi. Look at this beautiful walkway. I think we're in the back of the building. But why are Thailand malls so epic? I could spend a whole day here. But we're big foodies, so we only spent most of our time at the food hall. Highly recommend coming to this place if you're ever in the area. Literally one of the best malls I've ever experienced in my life. Watch your steps. Just look at it. It's so pretty and bright. I wonder if they have the lights on all year round or it's just because of, like, the holidays. When we entered, it was still sunlight out, and now it's dark. I like a lot of things in Asia look way better in the evening. They really like to decorate anything. Just look at it. Okay, that's it. Ending my Emsphere vlog here. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Toodaloo.